What's up guys, it's Hypebeast. So I'm doing another huge unboxing with all this stuff. I'm pretty much reselling all this again, just like the last huge unboxing. So stay tuned to find out how you can purchase all this stuff, because I'm going to explain everything towards the end of the video once I'm done with the unboxing, because I'm pretty sure there are a bunch of people who don't want to buy anything but still want to see what I got. So yeah, again, if you guys want to buy anything from me, please watch the whole thing or wait till the end of the video, and I am going to announce the giveaway winner for the Cancer socks, so stay tuned. So for the first one, it is a Thrasher shirt. I paid so much money for this one, so I better hope it's in good condition. I might even resell it because it's so rare. Luckily I didn't pay $80 for it, but for the most part I saw it going for $80. Insane, right? For a Thrasher shirt. Oh damn, he wrapped it up and everything. Guys, look at this. This is a FA collab with Thrasher. Oh my god, this thing is so fire. I'm not even joking, guys. I think it's a collab with hockey too. I think it's worth the money I paid for this. Oh my god, this shirt is freaking sick. And then it's got this on the back. Oh shit. I don't know, the material is like different too. It's not just like a regular screen print, and it doesn't feel like a regular shirt too. It's like super high quality, and I think this is a Ave Sodi t-shirt. I'm not really sure. I think that's what the description was, but these go for 80 bucks, and I'm not too sure if I'm gonna resell it yet, but if anybody does offer me a good price for this shirt, I might consider reselling this. Alright guys, I'm a little stoked on the first package. It was a banger. I know this one is as well, just because actually I don't know if this one's good. I swear the stuff I got for this video is so freaking sick. Oh my gosh, this one is so clean too. I don't know if anyone likes foundation, but this shirt is actually pretty expensive for a foundation shirt, and oh my gosh, look at that art. If I wrote foundation boards, I would love this, or if I didn't care about what shirts I wear and stuff, I'll totally wear this. It's got like forest green, and you got like the friends, you know, like, oh, it's so cute, like, you know, when you used to like hang out with friends all the time and just play around in the freaking playground. Good memories. I know this one I'm selling pretty cheap because it's a foundation shirt. Mostly it's just like shipping charges that I usually charge. So we're opening up the Foamy Josh real quick. Oh, this shirt is sick too. Oh yeah, the Thrasher shirt was a size small, or a FA, and then the foundation shirt is a size medium. This is also a size medium. This is in really good condition too. It is the crooked Mark Gonzalez tee. This one is a size medium. Just got like that classic crooked design. I'm pretty sure it's called a Mark Gonzalez graphic. I'm not sure. But yeah, I don't know what else to say, but if you guys like crooked, this is the shirt for you. It's crazy because I don't even remember a lot of the stuff that I bought. Alright guys, a bunch of you guys tell me to get larges and XL, but the thing is, it's not like you guys are gonna get any shirt that I get, so it's like kind of like, why should I get them, you know, when I don't know if you guys will get them for sure. But this one, brand new dime shirt. I am gonna open it out of the package just for the picture, but holy crap, if you guys know, you guys can only get this in Canada, I'm pretty sure, unless some specific local shop sells this. But yeah, man, this is not worth a dime. This is worth like 30 to 40, $50, I think. So yeah, if you guys want to get a brand new dime shirt, go cop it ASAP. This thing is freaking flames. Alright, I guess we're gonna do another Josh. Guys, I'm so tired. It's 1 a.m. and I haven't gotten any sleep, and I feel like my roommates are probably like pissed off at me. They're probably like, go to sleep. I honestly don't even know what this is. Oh, holy crap, this is in such a good condition. Guys, we got the Thrasher jacket. It's kind of hard to tell, I think, on camera, but it is the Thrasher jacket. It says, skate and destroy. Skate and destroy. Yeah, nothing much to say. This is a size small. See, the thing is, like, if no one buys it, I could at least wear this because I pretty much wear size small and medium. That's why I don't get too many larges in case nobody buys it. Just looking at it from the outside, quality is in perfect condition. Go to the spot and people will for sure know that you skate, and all the chicks will look at you because, you know, where Thrasher you get all the chicks. Okay, shout out to the skate shop. It's from Second Chance. I think they're from Arizona or Illinois. They sold me this shirt for super cheap, so shout out to them, because, you know, you guys still support your local skate shop in some sort of way. Gosh, my camera stops recording way too much. Holy crap, my camera literally stops recording way too much. Another banger. Brand new polo shirt. Oh my god, the camera literally stops recording like crazy. Holy crap. Guys, I've been dying to get a polo shirt for the longest time ever. Damn, holy crap. Oh, this is a size medium actually. I thought this was a size small. This thing is in such clean condition. This is like forest green. You got the green logo on the back. Guys, if you guys know Polar too, they're pretty expensive. And yeah, this is probably something you wear to like the North Pole or something, you know what I'm saying, where it's super cold. You might want to get a jacket there, you know what I'm saying, because it's freaking cold. Alright guys, I gotta do this really quick because my roommate came back. Alright guys, so we got this Supreme Elephant tee. This is like super high quality too. This one is a size large. This one's red too, I think. I'm not quite sure. It's got a pink elephant and then it just says Supreme. So yeah. Alright guys, this one is the Anti-Social Social Club. If you guys want to buy an Anti-Social Social Club super quick because they never ship, make sure you guys buy from me because, you know, this thing is rare too. And this one is a size small. And yeah, get that one too if you're not social, you know what I'm saying? And this one is super clean condition too, Thrasher shirt, flame. I'm not too big fan of this graphic, so yeah, I might sell this one for cheap too because, you know, nowadays they're like $30 or whatever. This one is a size small. I think this one is a Thrasher shirt too because pretty much all I got were Thrasher shirts. Okay, yeah, this one is a super clean condition too. This one is a little bit faded, so yeah, I'm gonna be selling this one super cheap as well. And, you know, if you're satanic or if you're not Christian, you guys might want to buy this shit because I'm a Christian, so yeah, definitely not gonna be repping the 666 with the pentagram. And we got 2 more packages to go. Damn, this one is super clean too. You guys already know this one actually goes for a lot resale because it's the Huff Penthouse collab. This one is a size medium. It just says Penthouse and then has the Huff little logo right there, and it has some like kiss on the back, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this one I'm probably gonna be selling pretty cheap too. Maybe expensive because this one goes for a lot, $30-$40. And yeah, last thing we got is a box of shoes. These are brand new, size 8.5. I don't know if I'm gonna be shipping these out. I might only be signing these through like OfferUp. I don't think you can get these anymore. They're worth $80 retail, so I don't know. And holy crap, these are the Thrasher collabs. You definitely won't be called a poser wearing these, so I definitely recommend you guys get these from me ASAP. You can rep yourself as an American, so I'm definitely not shipping this internationally. Yeah, that's pretty much all the stuff I got.
72 hours later.
It's actually been quite a few days now since where I last left off. I don't quite sure remember where I left off. I also got these Converse shoes. These are the Breakpoints. I think I'll be selling these for $35 or $40. I'm not quite too sure yet just because of the shipping and stuff, you know what I'm saying? But these are brand new and these are size 7 and it probably fits like a 7.5 just because they're Converse. And usually they run a half size bigger. Yeah, I'm actually kind of bummed because my roommate had to sleep the other day because it was so late at night, and you know, I want to try to make my unboxings kind of funny or entertaining rather than just like open the box. And you know, for some people it might be entertaining, for some it may not be, but we actually got more packages during the way, so woohoo, exciting. I know this one for sure. It's a brand new FA shirt. I really hope you guys buy these shirts because, you know, I bought a bunch of size mediums and large and extra larges. Actually, I don't know if there's gonna be any extra larges in this drop, but you guys will see something soon. He hooked it up with the FA sticker. As much as I want to keep this, I'll be sending it to the first person who purchases an FA item from me. Damn, this thing is clean. It's got like the FA logo at the bottom right here. It's called the mask graphic. I'm pretty sure it's literally gives me that freaking Courage the Cowardly Dog vibe, you know, with that weird like guy with like the long crazy hair, you know what I'm saying? I know this one is gonna be a banger, so I'm gonna save this one for last. Little comment below if you guys would buy like hats or pants and shorts as well. Damn, first of all, we got the official Miles Silva's hat, super sick skater. So I'm pretty sure if you guys know Miles, you guys will be skating like him, you know, all that steez. You guys will be doing 5-minute lines like all in one take, you know what I'm saying? This is a navy hat with red embroidery, super clean. And next up we got the Primitive snapback. It's actually not like a snapback, it's got like the 5-panel strap. If I did wear these type of hats, I would totally get them. And I feel like it's one of those hats that just don't fade, so this is a super good cop. And Primitive is my favorite board company, so you can never go wrong with that. This one is a little crazy. It looks like Calvin Klein, so I'm like, dude, let's freaking get this hat. I might even keep it in case you guys might not want to buy it, but this is the JHF, Just Have Fun. It's Boo Johnson's company, I believe, and this is a denim hat. I've never had a denim hat, and you know, some of you guys may like that, so if you guys want to buy it. Just make sure you don't go into Calvin Klein with this. Alright guys, I've been waiting for this one. This is actually from Golf Wang. I heard that they take forever to ship like Anti-Social Club, but I actually got mine in like a week, so I don't know what they are saying. Oh dude, I almost thought they sent me like 6 shirts. I ordered 6 shirts. Look, if you guys saw the shirts stacked like this, it makes it look like there's 7. Except I didn't see this part. Alright guys, so this one I might keep for myself, but again, if you guys want it, let me know. These will be selling a little bit more expensive. You got the Golf Multicolor 3D. That thing is sick. You know, if you want to flex playing golf, this is a shirt to wear. yeah, they just had like a random restock on all the shirts, I think. So that's why I was like, dude, I have to get. And I wasn't following up with golf until like 2 days before they sold this. So I was insanely hyped I was able to get all this. I really wish I got another one of these because these went out super quick. I would rather keep this one as a personal than the other ones because I feel like this one has way more value than the other ones. And again, you can't go wrong with pink. Like I said, man, I'm looking out for you guys. This one is a size large. Oh yeah, so the first white one was a size small, and the fire looking one, which is called the Oval Flame Tee, is a size medium. This one is a size large, multicolor 3D. I really like how some of these like streetwear and Hypebeast brands just have such a nice branding on the bags, and you know, you actually appreciate those small things. Oh yeah, and this one is a size medium. I'm definitely selling this one. I think the black kind of looks cooler than the white, honestly, but you know, I think majority of the people wear mediums, so that's why I got mostly mediums. But I believe in the next unboxing video I will have some extra large, and I actually do have the package already, and it's just gonna be in a vlog. And yeah guys, I still have some extra stuff from the last drop. I actually sold out most of them, so that was pretty cool. Thanks for anyone who did buy, and each package does come with free stickers, so keep that in mind as well. So yeah, we got the, again, the Bootylicious Tiana G. This one is super rare compared to the other Tiana G shirts that they make lately, because you won't find this one anywhere. So if you're a big fan of her, you might want to get this one. And I'm actually lowering a few of the shirts from the last drop just so I can get rid of some stuff, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, the Tiana G shirt, I'm selling that for 20 straight now. I was selling it for 28 earlier, I'm pretty sure. And this shirt, I actually just decided, you know, I'll just sell for like 25 or something, just because I feel like most people don't actually see the value in this shirt, and I don't want to keep it around, so I'm just gonna sell it for cheap. If you guys see the value in it someday and you don't wear it, I hope you guys enjoyed the cop. I'm surprised this one no one bought either. I mean, I understand just because almost every shop sells it, but yeah, I'm dropping this one for $16 now. All the stuff is still on the page. This one is a size medium, fits like a small. It is slightly faded, you know, I'm not gonna lie, BS you guys. This one is definitely rare, I'm not even joking. I'm now selling it for $48. So how you can purchase these items, you guys should follow me on Instagram at Hypebeast. That's how you're gonna get all the information from me and DM and exchange conversations. But that's where I'll be posting all the pictures of what I'm selling, and each day or maybe every 2 days I'll be posting 3 pictures of what I'm selling. And yeah, they will show the sizes, price, and everything, and it's all free shipping to US. And I don't think I'm gonna ship out of the country anymore, just because whenever someone asks how much is it for shipping to so and so, nobody ever actually buys. So yeah, it's just gonna be US only for now on. It's just whoever sees it first and likes the item and agrees on the price, they just hit me up, DM me, either PayPal me the money or Venmo me. And yeah, if you ever feel like you guys don't agree with the price is always negotiable, but I do try to sell for the best price just for everyone, so like at least I can make like $1 or $2 profit if it's just like a regular item. There's some that I don't even make any profit, which is kind of stupid for me to just go out and give my time just to ship out an item for you guys and just try to find something to sell to you guys now. And yeah, as pricing goes, I noticed some people are like, damn, $70-$90 for a shirt. Well yeah, because Palace and Supreme has that value. Same with like Golf Wing and Antisocial Social Club. But if you guys do have a shirt that you guys really want, and if you guys do offer a good price, you guys have to offer. I'm not gonna answer how much it's gonna be. If you guys offer a good price on something you guys want, I'll sell it to you guys ASAP. So yeah, as promised, I'm gonna do the Cancer sock giveaway. You guys are just gonna see me pick firsthand. I did say you guys had to leave a comment, but I'm too lazy to check that, so I'm just gonna pick a random commenter on Cancer socks that mentioned me. And yeah, I want to give him more shout outs, so I am gonna do another giveaway in this video as well, which is the other pair. And yeah, I didn't mention it, but sorry, this is US only. I was like, damn, who should I send this to? Because my finger ended up between 2 comments and he left 2 comments, so I'm like, damn, never mind. Oh heck yeah, this guy rides primitive boards. I'm feeling this dude. The winner is Butney_Chan. If you guys didn't win, you guys have another chance. So for this giveaway, all you guys gotta do, follow Cancer Socks on Instagram. And this time, instead of following Ipe_Moida, I'd be happy if you guys follow that account as well. But since this is like an unboxing video and Hype is mostly the main thing for this, follow me at Hype on Instagram. And if you guys are serious about buying something from my page, leave a comment below with your Instagram username and what kind of items you guys want me to see. In case I ever do this again, I'm not quite sure if I will do it again, because in a way it is a waste of time and waste of money if I don't sell everything. It's still kind of a hobby, it's fun. And for people who won't buy for sure, leave a comment what your favorite skate trick is, or leave a comment on both, because I like to know more of you guys. So yeah, I hope to hear from you guys on the DMs at Hype. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It was kind of rushed, I didn't really get it planned, which kind of sucks even though it's just an unboxing. But yeah, again, if you guys enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe, that always helps things. Yo, peace out. Hey, is this for your part or what?
Yeah.
Alright, go.